Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw the plan, and this is the last chapter for Form 5, and then this is also one of the very important chapter because this chapter come out in paper 2, the last section. So the chapter is called Plan and Elevation. Okay, so let's have a look on this question. Okay, normally before you start to drawing, he will give you some information. Here he say, okay, you are not allowed to use the graph paper to answer this question. Okay, first he say you cannot use the graph paper, of course. So okay, for part A, he say the diagram 7 show a solid right prism with a rectangular base ABCD. Mean this ABCD actually the ABCD in the bottom actually is a rectangular. Okay, and then on the horizontal plane, okay, means you have to imagine the ABCD actually is something like horizontal, means they are lie flat on the surface one. Okay, and then he says the surface ABJ HGH is a uniform cross section of the right prism. Mean he say this surface actually is a cross section of this surface. Mean the question just want to say this surface and this surface actually is the same lah. Okay, and then what else information is given? Okay, so he's trying to say all the AF here, BJ here, and CK, and all this is called vertical. Vertical means what? Vertical means 90 degree above. Okay, it means actually J is 90 degree above the B. Okay, this is meaning by he say vertical here. Okay, okay, so rectangle JKLH is the horizontal plane, and rectangle GMEF is the inclined plane. So he just say this one is the inclined, and then all this is the horizontal. Okay, so this one is horizontal also. Okay, so let's have a look on this diagram. And then first A, no, so he asks you to draw to full scale. What is the meaning by full scale? Full scale will means when you see X centimeter here, you really need to measure X centimeter to draw. When you see 7 centimeter, you really need to measure 7 centimeter from your ruler in order to draw in the full scale, because this one is something in the smaller ratio one. So you want to draw this one in the full scale. Okay, and then second he asks you draw the plans of the solid. When you see plan of the solid, always means what? Always means you are looking at this solid from the top, look down. Okay, this is the meaning by plan of the solid. Okay, when you see the word plan of the solid, mean you always look the solid from the top. Okay, so when you look from the top, what you actually see, so in order to draw this plan, one tips is very important is if you look from the top, you always draw the biggest one. You always draw the biggest plan. Okay, so if I look from the top, the bigger plans I will see is this one, A, B, C, D, because this one is the bigger plan if I look from the top, because this one even bigger than this one. Actually the A, B, C, D is big, is just combined of this one and this one. So when I look from the top, he asked me to draw the plan of the solid. I always find which picture is the biggest one. So obviously in this example, A, B, C, D is the biggest one when I look from the top. Okay, so what I do now is, okay, I take a paper. Okay, I take a plans of paper. Okay, and then in order to draw the full scale, I need to, okay, before I start to draw, I just scratch out first, make you easier to understand. Okay, so when I look from the top, okay, what I will see here is, okay, I will see X centimeter here. Okay, where should I draw? Okay, I draw somewhere here, it's better. Okay, I will see a 8 centimeter here, X cm. Okay, and then this one is this line. Okay, look from the top. So this is A, this is B. Because now I want to draw this one first, the biggest one when I look from the top. Okay, AB is 8 centimeter. So after I draw this line, I have to draw AD. Okay, AD is 7 centimeter. It's 7 centimeter, and A and D is connect at A. So at A here, I draw 90 degree, go up 7 centimeter. This one must make sure it's 90 degree. D. Of course, in the exam you don't need to draw the 90 degree symbol. Okay. So and then BC is 7 centimeter also. So BC connect at B. Connect at B. So BC is another 7 centimeter. Okay, and then D and C is connect. So D and C is connect. Okay, after I draw this one, okay, and then if I look from the top, let's say for the point B, I will see the point J first, then only I will see B, because I from the top. What? Because I from the top, I will see J, only see B. Here I will see K, then only I will see C. Okay, for the point A, I will see F first, then only I see A, because I look from the top. Okay, so this one is called F slot A, because I see F first. So this one is called J slot B, because I see J first on here. So this one is called K slot J. K slot J. And the last one, D here, above of D is E. So this one is called E slot D. Okay, after you draw all this, okay, now we know actually from K to L here got another 6 centimeter. So K to L. So K to L will be, okay, let's say here is 6 centimeter. So here will be L. K to L what? Okay, but then above, when I look on the top, before I see L, I will see M first. So this one is what we call M slot L. Okay, okay, same point for this one. J, we go 6 centimeter here, we will reach H. So same thing, we assume this one is 6 centimeter. Okay, so we will see H here. So we will see H here. But then above of H we got G. So this one is called G slot J. This G slot H, because we look from the top one. Then the first plans of solid is done. Okay, just make sure you label all the centimeter. So here is 6, so here will be 2 centimeter. So you don't write 8 here, you just write 6 and 2 here. Remember, write cm. So here will be 7, so you just write 7 centimeter. Okay, this is the way to do to draw the plans of the solid. So of course, if you want to draw the full plan, a full scale plan, let me zoom out and then I draw it quickly. Okay, I will zoom out the question, and then I have to use something like A4 paper to draw. Okay, so while I draw, I just give you some picture. Okay, so now I start to draw this one quickly. Okay, most of the time I will use the ruler to draw. Okay, first I want to draw the X centimeter from the bottom. So it's 8 centimeter here, 0 to 8 is called 8 centimeter. So I draw 8 centimeter here. Okay, oops, I draw 8 centimeter here. Okay, and then he go up here is 7 centimeter. So to go up will be 7. So I find 7, I go up. Okay, and then of course in the exam you just use eraser, erase this one. Okay, and then of course here I need to have another 7 centimeter. So I just make sure this one is online. So 7 centimeter is here. So just draw down 7 centimeter. So here is 8 cm, so here is 7 cm, 7 cm. Okay, so and then when here is after 6 centimeter, after 6 centimeter, we will see H. So I just draw another 6 centimeter, will be okay, means will be 2 here. Okay, so I just connect all this. I just connect this one to this one, okay. I connect, so here will be 2 centimeter, and then I just connect these two. Okay, then I almost done. So what I need to do is I need to label one by one. So first, okay, have a look here. So this one is called J slot B. So I like J slot B because I have a look the J first, then only reach B, and then this one is called K, and then C. So it's K slot C because from the top I will see K first. So this one from the top I will see M first, then only I see L. So it's called M slot L. So this one from the top I will see G first, then only I see H. So it's called G slot H. This one from the top I will see H, then only I see A. So H slot A. This one same, I will see E, then only I see D. So it's E slot D. Okay, after I label all, okay, I just label the centimeter. So here will be 6 centimeter. This one will be 6 centimeter. Here will be 2 cm. Here will be 2 cm. But then if the exam, if you got space, you better don't write inside. Try to write the 2 cm outside lah. Will be better. Okay. So this one we call it plans of the solid. Okay, remember plan of the solid will always mean look from top. Look down. When you see the word plan, means you need to look from top. Okay, so when you see this one and you see this one again, so actually we look from top, we will only see something like this. Okay, if okay, then we have a look on the part B. Okay, so we go to part B. Okay, so let me zoom in to have a look on the part B. Okay, first you have to know actually part B is related to the part A one. Okay, means actually when you see the part B, okay, when you see the part B, what is the difference for part B and C is actually he add on another things. He add on half of the cylinder, or he call it semi-cylinder from this solids. So he means all the centimeter here is still remain same with the first solid. Just he add on another semi-cylinder here. Okay? Just add on, so you have to know actually here is the same. So the height of here will be 6. This one will be still 7. The height of here will be still 3 centimeter. Even he didn't write here. So you have to know actually here is still 3 centimeter. Yes, and then yeah, you make sure you got everything. Okay, if you got some missing centimeter, you just refer to the first one, on the part A one. Okay, because sometimes the question will not give you this one 5 centimeter. You have to go back to the first one to find the 5 centimeter here. Okay, then we quickly have a look on the question. Okay, first he asks you draw the full scale. When you see full scale, mean you have to use ruler to draw. Okay, the elevation combines the solids. Okay, I zoom in a little bit, make you easy to see. Okay, the elevation of combined solids on a vertical parallel AB to the AB as a view from P. Means he want view from P, and this one AB will be the first line. Okay, means view from P, mean view from this direction, what shape you will see. Okay, when view from this direction, you will see what shape. So I just briefly draw out some shape if you view from here. Okay, if you view from here. Okay, now we view from P. Correct or not? So we view from P. What we will see first we will see the first line AB first. AB, and this is AB, okay, AB, and then this one is 8 centimeter. Okay, because now we view from P. We view from P. So after we see A, what is behind of the A is D. Correct or not? So this one called A slot D. What is behind of B? Behind of B will be C. So this one we call it B slot C. B slot C. Okay, and then above of A we will see F. So we always find the biggest one because we see from the P direction, the biggest one is this one plus this one. This is the biggest image already. So now I want to draw the biggest image here. Okay, so above here you will see above 5 centimeter you will see H. So let's say above 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 cm. I will see H. Okay, what is behind H? You will have E here. Correct or not? When you see from this direction, see from P direction, you will see H, then you will see E. So H slot E. Okay, and then same thing here. You have to go up 4 centimeter because here he mentioned B to J actually is 4 centimeter. Okay, because it's same here. So I draw here 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 cm, and this one should be shorter than this one a little bit. Okay, 4 centimeter I write here. So this one is what we call J. Okay, zoom out a little bit, not enough space. Okay, so now after 4 cm you will see J. Okay, what is behind J is K. So now because now we are drawing this one first. We are drawing this one first. So above of B will be J. So it's J slot K. So this one called J slot K. And then we have to move here is 6 centimeter. Still remember on the previous diagram, this one is actually 6 centimeter. So this one is 6 centimeter. So this one is 6 centimeter also. So J to H actually is 6 centimeter. So you draw a 6 centimeter here. Let's say this one is 6 cm. So you will meet here. Okay, and then actually you should go out 3 centimeter because here he mentioned 3 cm. So after this one you should go out 3 centimeter. So let's say this is 6 centimeter, then I go up 3 cm. Okay, this one is 3 cm. Oh, this one is 6 cm, sorry, not centimeter, 6 cm. And then only I connect these 2 points. Okay, after that I want to label this point. Okay, for this point you will see actually he will pass through, the first one is called H, then he passed through T, then only he passed through L. So this one actually got 3 points here, so we call it H T L, because from this direction you will see H first, then only you see T, then only you see L. So this one called HTL. Okay, and then from this direction G, then you will see the coordinate M. You will see M. So this one called G slot M. Okay, and then above the 6 centimeter you will see this one. Okay, this one is a bit hard to draw because actually you will need the compass to draw. Okay, so so you will see, okay, because this one is 6 centimeter. So obviously this one is a diameter. So diameter means what? Means actually the radius is 3 cm. Because this diameter, I said diameter is equal to 2 of the radius. So this one is 6 centimeters. That means the R will be 3 cm. That means this one R will be 3 cm also. So actually you should open up your compass and then you have to draw a 3 centimeter. You have to draw a half circle of the with the radius 3 cm. So actually you got something like this after you use the compass. Okay, so this one should be equal height with this one, 3 cm. Okay, so you have a point D here. Okay, got the idea? So when you look from here, you will see something like this, and then make sure you label all correctly, okay? And then yeah, so D here, maybe you can write here 3 cm. You don't need to draw this line out. This one you don't need to draw. Okay, here 3 cm. Okay, so you will see something like this when you look from P. Okay, so if okay, so I just draw this one quickly. Okay, so if you understand, then I just draw full scale to show you. So I zoom out. Okay, I put an A4 paper here. Okay, so I just draw this one quickly. So first I need to draw the line AB. Okay, AB is 8 cm, so I just draw here from 0 to 8. From 0 to 8 is AB, and then here actually AB here go up is 4 cm, so go up will be 4. So I draw here 4 cm. Okay, so this one is 4 cm, this one is 8 cm. Okay, see, so this is line A, B. So A behind A is D, slot D. Behind B is C, slot C. So here is J, behind J is K, so it's J, slot K. Okay, after this, okay, I draw this line. Above A is 5 cm. So I just draw this one, 5 cm go up. So make sure this one 90 degree. So I draw 5 cm go up. Okay, so this one is 5 cm. So this one is H, and then you will see E here. So it will be F slot E. Okay. Okay, and then okay, I draw this line from J connect to H. This one is 6 cm. So I just make sure I draw it correctly. So this one I move up a bit. Okay, just make sure this one is 6 cm. So yes, so 6 cm somewhere here. Okay, and then after 6 cm, he will move up 3 cm here. He move up 3 cm here, so I just move up 3 cm here. Okay, 3 cm here. Okay, and then I connect these 2 points together. I connect these 2 points together. Okay, so I roughly got it. So, and then remember the label. This one I will see H, T, and L. So I label H, T, and L. Okay, so this one is G and then M. So G slot M. Okay, and then this one have to use the compress. So let me take the compress. Okay, I have a very small compress here, but just in case, just guide you, because here is 6 cm, because here is actually 6 cm, 6 cm here. So therefore, I know actually my radius will be 6 cm. I know my radius actually will be 3 cm, so I just use the compress and then I measure 3 cm here. I measure from this one to here should be 3 cm. Okay, if this one is 3 cm already, okay, then I find where is the 3 cm here. Okay, 3 cm will be here. Here will be 3 cm. So I make sure this one is my center point. Then I point this one to here, and then I just draw this one using my compress. I just draw here. So this is then the whole graph is done. So this one is 3 cm. Here will be 3 cm. So middle, this one is called D. Okay, then my whole diagram is done. Any place, okay, so here is 3 cm. Remember the label here is 3 cm also, because the height here is 3 cm. Okay, then I label everything. This is for the part B. Okay, if okay, then we move on. Okay, then we have a look on the last part. Okay, for part D, he said the elevation combination solid of a vertical plane parallel BC. So this one will be the bottom line when he said parallel, because just now he said parallel AB, so you see I actually draw AB as a bottom line. So you see actually I draw the AB as a bottom line. So he said parallel AB mean actually you have to draw AB as a bottom line. So now BC is the bottom line. So when you see from Q, so from Q, BC is the bottom line. So we know now my bottom line will be BC will be 7 centimeter. Okay, so from Q, okay, so we have a look from Q. So what I will see here, okay, this one a bit hard is you have to imagine if you from this direction, the biggest picture you see will be here. Actually, you will see the bigger picture is this one, very big. So you want to know the total height. Here is 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So the height of this one actually is 7 centimeter. Okay, because here is 4, here is 3, so the total height will be 7 centimeter. And then this one is the biggest picture here. So I have to draw a rectangle with 7 centimeter, and then 7 centimeter, and then 7 centimeter. So I want to draw out this big rectangle first. So because here is 7 centimeter, and then here will be 7 centimeter. So I have to draw a square, 7, 7, 7. So I just draw out here, so I will see something like this, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, this is 7, this one is 7. So so imagine this one is BC. Okay, when you from this direction, you will see B, and then you will slot A here, slot A. Same thing, this one, if this one is C, you will slot, what is the alphabet behind D? You will see slot D. Okay, and then above from D, now from Q, so B above 4 centimeter you will meet J. So this is 7 what? Above 4 centimeter I will meet J here. So J, behind of J will be, now you see behind of J you will have H. So slot H. Okay, so when you look from this direction, you definitely will see this line. So you have to draw this line. Draw this line. Okay, so this one will be 4 cm. So above here will be 3 cm. Okay, so and then one very, very, very important here is the line HE. Because HE is above 5 centimeter, and then because HE is being blocked by this one, blocked by HGML. So being blocked by this one. So whenever the line is being blocked, you have to use the dashed line to draw it. You have to use the dashed line to draw it. And then this one is 5 centimeter. So I know this is 4. Mean I plus 1 more centimeter, I can see this line. So you see this line? This line is FE. So it's FE. Okay, so this one will be FE. Okay, whenever the line is being blocked one, you have to use dash line. Okay, and then the highest one will be G and M. So you will have some diagram like this, and then because from this direction you're not able to see so much different about this one. Okay, you're not able to see so much different about the semi-cylinder. Okay, so you will have something like that, and then yes, but then you will able to see actually here got one line. Okay, you able to see actually here you will have one line. So what is the length for here? Okay, so you have to find out what is the length for this one, SK. So because here total will be 7 centimeter, you have to find out what is the length, and then you have to draw one line there. So actually this one I think will be given. Okay, actually it's given here. Okay, he said SK is 4 centimeter. So SK here will be 4 cm. Okay, means actually here I measure until 4 centimeter, and then I will draw a straight line come down, and then this one is S go here, go back at slot T, okay, that's all, okay, and then here will be 4, here will be 3, okay, if you look from the Q direction. So I'm trying to draw a full skew to make you understand this one better. So let me zoom out. Okay, let me zoom out here. Okay, so okay, when I zoom out, okay, trying to draw the full skew here. So I will, okay, first I want to draw the bigger picture first. 7 7 7 7. Okay, I draw this rectangle first, then only I draw inside. So here I need to draw a 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So here will be 0 to 7. Okay, 0 to 7. Okay, I will have something like this, and then okay, I draw another 7 centimeter here. So here will be 7. Okay, here will be 7. Oops. Okay, so here will be 7 also. So this one will be 7. Okay, so all 7 7 7 7. Okay, after I done, okay, because now from this direction, so I just start to label. Okay, because you want parallel as a BC, so this one must be B and C already. Okay, so from this direction I will see B, then I will see A, B slot A. I will see C, then I will see D, so it's C slot D. Okay, and then above 4 centimeter, I will have one straight line. So I measure here 4 centimeter. So okay, above 4 cm. Okay, here will be 4 cm. Okay, above 4 centimeter, I will have one straight line. Okay, so this straight line is J and then H, so it's J slash H, and then K slash L, K slash L, K, then only you see L because you look from Q direction. Okay, and then we have a dash line is above 5 centimeter, F and E is behind here, F and E. So I want to make sure, okay, this is 5 centimeter, so I just measure 5 centimeter is here. Okay, so this one I will see a dash line. It's 5 centimeter above. So we know actually here is 1 cm. Okay, so this one is called F and E. Okay, and then when you look from here, the highest one will be G and M. Okay, so I write here G and M. Okay, so almost done. Okay, so remember here actually the SK is 4 centimeter, so I have to make sure here 4 centimeter I have to draw up one, so I measure here 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter, so I draw a line here. This one stands for SK. Okay, so I got everything ready, then I just write all the cm. So this one is 7, so this is 7 cm. Okay, this one will be 4 cm, this one will be 3 cm. Okay, and then this one will be 4 cm, this one will be 3 cm. Okay, if you write 1 cm here, so top here you better write 2 cm. Because total is 3 cm one, so you better write 2 cm and 1 cm. So this one will be 4 cm. Okay, so and then we got 1 point. Don't forget to label this one. This one is S slot T. S slot T. Okay, above this one got no coordinate here because here, here we got no coordinate actually. Yes, so I think the whole diagram is done. So okay, so I just remind you, okay, whenever the thing is, the straight line is being blocked one, remember to use the dash line. Okay, means actually he's being blocked. So when you look from every direction, you're trying to find the biggest picture. Okay, whenever you draw out the biggest picture already, you just, then only you try to fill the content inside. Will be much more easy. So always find the biggest one, no matter you look from the which direction. For example, if you look from the top, the biggest picture will be the bottom one, will be this one. If you look from the top, okay. If you look from the P, the biggest picture will be this one, plus this semicircle. Okay. So if you look from the Q, The biggest picture will be this one, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Actually, here got a big rectangle, but then you need to able to see the rectangle lah. Okay, I think this chapter is done. Actually, this chapter is all about drawing, and then you only have full line, dash line, and then you need to able to find out those centimeter is not given one. And then you also need to know actually what's the meaning by vertical, mean actually all is 90 degree. Okay, and then make sure all the cm here you write correctly, and all the label here you label correctly. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. I hope this video can help you. Thanks a lot.